So today we're harvesting tomatoes, and we are harvesting them as they blush and not letting them fully ripen on the vine because we've had some army worms that are starting to eat them. So we're going to show you what some of these tomatoes look like when they're blushing. So a yellow tomato will still look green, but you'll be able to see an ever so slight yellow tinge to it. So we'll go ahead and pick that one. And a red tomato will just barely start to turn an orange or a pink color. And so we're going to go ahead and harvest these tomatoes.